let me define it. Let me understood it. That why my mind is repeating the same thing again and again over the weeks and months and years. And is that the reason of my frustration, anger, anxiety, jealousy? Yes, because the mind is not organized, or mind is becoming impulsive, or the mind is becoming the master.
Yeah.
When the mind is becoming the master, result is definitely fear, failure, and frustration. You know, these great computer scientists have learned what they have learned. You know, every time you open a file, every time you open a browser or a file or a picture or anything, so and then you close it down. You don't work, you simply open and close. It creates an impression. And these files are fragmented in many directions. So if you don't run, what is known in computer is a defragmentation. If you don't run that defragmentation, which is always there in Windows application, I don't know too much about the Apple computers. So when you run the defragmentation, those files are reorganized and placed orderly where it was kept for the first time. We need a mental defragmentation. We need a mental defragmentation. I am in anxiety, fragmented mind. I have a fear, fragmented mind. There is a complaint, fragmented mind. There is a duality, fragmented mind. I feel exhausted and tired, fragmented mind. I compare myself with others, fragmented mind.
Yeah.
I have to defrag it. So defrag my mind. And the defragmentation of the mind is to what you have learned, that what is the nature of the real self? The real self is of the nature of peace, happiness, love, truth, and wisdom. Do I intellectually feel that I am of the nature of peace, happiness, love, truth, and wisdom? No. My mind is still running after those fragmented files of anxiety, fear, and frustration. Oh, mind, you're trying to be the master. I have to do something. The sense of exhaustion is there. Let me pick up the active practice where the breathing is involved, some mantra is involved.